Hi, how are you? Burping or belching is a common reaction of expelling air from the tummy through the mouth. It usually occurs when the stomach has too much swallowed air in it. To expel the swallowed air, we get burp or belching. The food we eat is also responsible for burping, as during the digestion process, when food breaks down and the intestine gas is produced. The expelled gas is generally a mixture of oxygen and nitrogen. Gas and bloating is another reason which causes belching or burping. Don't worry, problem solved. Here are some best remedies to treat burping. Ginger, papaya, yogurt, and lemon. Ginger to prevent burping. Just chop a few pieces of ginger 2 to 3 times a day and get safety from stomach issues, which are responsible for burping. Another way is to eat ginger with honey to lower the taste of ginger, along with the added benefits of ginger. Papaya to prevent burping. Consume a serving of papaya every day to enhance your skin, as well as catch embarrassing burps. You can drink papaya juice as well to get rid of belching. Yogurt to prevent burping. A diluted form of yogurt you can have is buttermilk. Buttermilk is a much better alternative for avoiding burps. Just dilute some yogurt with water and also add some cumin seeds for a healthy stomach, which reduces symptoms of burping fast. Lemon to prevent burping. Just take 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and add half tablespoon of baking soda in it. Mix it well in a glass of water and sip it after your each meal. This will definitely help prevent burping and aids digestion issue. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, let us know in the comment and subscribe us.